So the other day I was talking to a friend of mine who told me that he just got his firearm license and he was going to buy his first firearm. I was so excited for him, the kind of excitement that he shows. So I was probably kind of thinking, oh, he's going to get like a Smith & Wesson M686, revolver or something like that. But this is what he purchased. This is what he purchased for his first firearm. Let me show you what he purchased. This is the Mossberg Maverick 88 Tactical. This is what he purchased, guys. You get it out the bag and show it to you. Now, this is what he got. This is what he got. The Maverick 88 Tactical. Now, tell me, do you think this is a good first firearm to get? A shotgun? Let me know, guys, what you think. But this is what he picks up. Beautiful, isn't it? Maverick 88 shotgun. That is what the guy picked up. Yep.